The NC3 certifications definitely will be a plus because that's something that I've been able to bring up to the people that had offered me a job because they asked questions, what certifications do you have, what have you learned? And I could always say that I learned a lot, but being able to have the certification proves to them that I have been tested and that I've been able to apply what I've learned. There's quite a responsibility for electrical technicians when you think about it, setting up machines, programming certain process controls, working with electricity and so on, and that can be intimidating at first, but being able to take that challenge and challenging yourself to learn something that maybe you've never experienced or interacted with, like myself, and you step into that, you definitely learn a lot about yourself, and you start realizing that the sky's the limit. You pretty much can do anything you set your mind to. So if you're considering and there's for some reason you're insecure or intimidated by it, or whatever else it may be, financial struggles, there's always a lot of help out there.